Welcome back to day 2 of this Inner Balance Yoga Challenge. The purpose is that you will feel more balanced after those 30 days. And this is my goal. And I'm pretty sure if you are consistent and coming to work out with me every day, you will feel more balanced after those 30 days. Today, the topic is spine mobility. Let's work on mobilizing our spines. And if you don't know me, I am Marion, spiritual healer, coach, and of course, yoga teacher. So let's get started. Find yourself a comfortable seat, maybe cross-legged, and place the hands on the knees for now and just circle your shoulders. And breathe. Okay, inhale, bring the arms up and exhale down. Inhale up. Now twist to one side, touch the knee and look back. Stay, continue to breathe. Inhale up and to the other side, exhale. Inhale up. Now drop one hand to the mat and lean to that side. And if you want, you can place the whole forearm on the mat, but make sure the seating bones stay on the floor. Inhale up, change the side. Inhale up. Come onto all fours. Let's do some cat and cow. So hands underneath your shoulders and you round your back into a cat pose. And then you arch into a cow. With the exhale, you round from the lumbar spine all the way up. And then inhale, arch from the lumbar to the head. And again. Take your time. Bring your awareness to your spine and make sure you don't rush the movement, but you rather feel how each vertebra is supporting the rounding of the spine. Bring the focus back inside of you. And then bring yourself into a neutral spine. Now I want you to circle. So you drop the chest and then you bring the chest to the right side and you circle up. And then you bring the chest to the left side and down. Unless you are a dancer, this might feel a bit unusual, but this is also good to bring some mobility back into your body and your spine. Change the side. Okay, now bring the toes on the mat, Walk back to your knees and then bring the feet on the mat, if possible, also the heels. Place the hands in front of your feet and then come up with your hip. Straighten the legs if possible, if not, keep them slightly bent. And then shake a bit right, left with your upper body. And roll up. Okay, now in standing with the inhale, you look up. With the exhale, you drop the chin. Inhale, look up. Exhale, drop the chin. And now with each exhale, we're going to move the spine a little bit more. Now you also move the shoulders with you. And inhale up. Slow breath. Exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. A little bit more. Every time a couple centimeters more. Vertebra by vertebra. Let the breath lead the movement. If you want, close your eyes. You can keep your knees slightly bent. And don't go all the way down yet, just maybe up to the knee level, maybe a bit below the knees with your hands, but not much further. And the next time you are down, you place the hands on your thighs, you drop the hip a bit more lower, and then you round your back as much as you can while you bring the abs inside. So you contract your core and round your back. And then you straighten. So the thumbs go inside to your thighs when you're straight. And when you're round, you bring the fingertips inside. So you have the openness in the body to do the rounding. And thumbs inside to arch. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then roll up. If you want, you can loosen, shake your body a bit. Maybe swing the arms right, left. Okay. Close the feet. Push the knees and the thighs together and sit down. Take the left arm outside of your right knee and then bring the right arm to the back. So you twist open. Exhale, change. Inhale, twist back. Exhale. Inhale. Now stay on the right, it's your right side, my left. Stay there. And just twist open. Push the knees together. Twist open. Look back to your hand. With the next exhale, change. Twist open. And release. Come up, shake your legs, swing. That's also spine mobility, swing. Just swing. This is an exercise from Qigong. Just swing. Let the arms massage the body. Good. Place the feet hip wide apart. Stand upright, lift your arms, interlace the hands, bring the palms away from you towards the ceiling, and then lean to the right side. Inhale up and lean to the left side. And again, to the right and to the left. Keep going. And release. Inhale up. Now come with the hands in front of your body all the way down with the hands into a forward fold. If you want, keep the knees bent and then just grab the elbows and let it just hang loose here. Circle a bit like an 8, like the infinity sign maybe. Place the hands on the floor. Sit down. If you can, keep the feet on the mat while you sit down. And then bring the knees down. Keep the toes in the mat for a moment, just to feel this beautiful toe stretch. And then flip the feet. I don't know, maybe it's just me that feels that toe stretch so much. Maybe let me know below if you also feel it like I do. Okay, so our spine can move forward, backward, left, right, and it can rotate. So it has quite a lot of movements. And the one we didn't do is the back bend. So let's do this. And for this, come up with your hip. Place the hands to the side. And then just look up and lean back. So the hip stays in the front. And you just lean towards the back as much as it feels comfortable. But make sure the hip stays in the front. You don't lean back with the whole body. It's just really the upper body. And release. Okay. We're gonna add something. So you can take your right hand, put this on the right foot and come up, push forward and bring the left arm up while you lean back. Keep breathing. And then circle to the other side and come up. Left hand touches the heel and the right arm comes up. And release. Okay, breathe. If you want, you do the same again. Right hand on the heel and then the left hand on the heel. Or you place both hands on both heels. I mean, you know what I mean. Right hand, right heel, left hand, left heel. And then push the hip forward and bend back. and release. Breathe. Okay, good. Sit down again. Cross-legged. Hands on your knees. And now from here, lean forward, dive in and roll up. Like a body roll. With the inhale, come up. And with the exhale, come down. Last one. Very good. Good. How's your back feeling? How's your spine feeling? Do you feel mobilized a bit? I certainly do. With that, inhale, hands to your forehead. With this, you can already clap yourself, tap yourself on the shoulder. You're already past the second day. Exhale to your heart. And I have a fly flying around here. Seems like the fly is also part of the 90-day challenge. The 30-day challenge. Yeah. Inhale up. Maybe one day we're going to do a 90-day yoga challenge together. Who knows? I guess I just manifested that. Okay. Keep the hands in front of your heart. I thank you so much, and I hope to see you on day 3, also on the mat. Make sure to leave me a comment. Bye. Namaste.